In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to go about fixing your disapproved ads inside your Google Ads campaign. And out of all of the accounts we're managing for a ton of different service-based businesses, ads getting disapproved are something that happens at least once per account. So we're going to walk you through how to go about getting these reapproved so that they're eligible again and ready to start receiving leads. And now what you want to do is when you go to your actual Google Ads campaign, you want to go to campaigns and come down here to ads. And this is where you can see all of the actual ads that you're running inside that campaign. But to find the ads that are disapproved, you can go to add a filter and then just go disapproved ads. And now for all of the ads we're managing for all of the companies we're working with, there aren't any ads that are currently disapproved. But what you will see here when you go to your ads and go to the disapproved filter is that you will see here that there are ads that are disapproved, and there will be a button somewhere alongside the ad as well giving you the option to appeal. And the first thing you want to do as well when you see an ad that's disapproved is you should see a policy that Google are saying that the ad violated. And the first conclusion you really want to come to was it a complete error on Google's end? Or is there actually something about the ad that could be changed so that it no longer violates that policy? And now we're going to touch on exactly how to approach each of those two scenarios to get your ads approved again. And if you'd like a free checklist that covers everything you need to remember to make sure that you actually regularly check your ads to make sure if any are disapproved, and everything else involved from start to finish in setting up a Google Ads campaign with notes on how to follow each step, I'll leave the link for this checklist down below. And if you are a service-based business looking to have all of this done and implemented for you and everything done from the conversion tracking, landing pages, and everything else involved in running the campaign, I'll also leave a link for that in the description down below. Now, it would be a lot easier to illustrate this if we actually had some ads that were disapproved that we could appeal in real time. But from experience of having to deal with disapproved ads, let's just say first of all you have one ad that is disapproved because of, for example, one final URL per ad group, and then you look at the ad group and see that all of the ads in that ad group have the exact same final URL, then clearly it's just a mistake on Google's end and there isn't actually anything you need to change. If that's the case, you'll have the option to simply press dispute decision. And usually when you do this, as long as it actually is an error on Google's end, the ads will end up getting approved again automatically. Now, let's just say on the other hand that you can identify why your ad was disapproved and that there is something that could be changed inside your ad to make sure that it does get approved. Then the first thing you'll need to do is obviously just go ahead and make that change first of all. And then there'll be an option to say something like made changes to comply with policy. And then you just check that box and press appeal again. And as long as that change no longer violates the policy that they initially disapproved your ad for, then your ad should automatically get reapproved also. But now let's just say that you disputed the decision or made changes to comply with policy, and no matter what you do, the self-service appeals just keep on failing. Then what you can do is go to this support page, so support.google.com/Google Ads Get Help. And when you get to this support page, first of all, you just have to enter in the account that you're working with. And you might add in here, for example, ads disapproved. And now this page seems to be quite updated from what it used to be, because you'd simply fill out a form and then it would get sent off by email, and someone from Google would manually review the account, and as long as they can identify why the ads were disapproved in the first place, then they would be able to manually review the ads and reapprove them for you. But in this case now, you just have to follow the prompts that it gives you. And now in your prompts, you can go into detail of, what disapprovals your ads are getting. And then on this page, you can simply just keep filling out the prompts and going into enough detail on which ads were disapproved and why they were incorrectly disapproved until those ads get a more detailed review. And this is the next best place of making sure that your ads get reapproved again if the self-service appeals keep failing. So I hope this video gave you clarity on how to go about getting your disapproved ads inside Google Ads reapproved. And if you do have any questions on disapproved ads or anything else related to Google Ads as a whole, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if there are any other aspects of setting up or managing a Google Ads campaign that you'd like further details on, I'll leave the link to a playlist that you should see on the screen now that contains individual videos of each of the aspects in setting up and managing a Google Ads campaign from start to finish.